everyone, welcome back. So I have a package from Daily Charme to share with you. I was so excited to get this package. It's more of a Valentine's package with a few things for spring in it. I actually haven't opened it yet, so I'm going to go through it with you and share everything that they sent me to show you. And please keep watching, because at the end of this video I'm going to be doing a nail design, and it's going to be a really cute Valentine's design. So keep watching after I share everything with you, like I said. And I do have a 10% off code. You can see it up on the screen. So make sure you use that to get 10% off from Daily Charme. They have the most amazing nail art products and gel polishes, etc. So check that out. I'll have all these links down in the description for you so you can find them on Daily Charme. So I'm going to get started right away sharing this package. So I'm going to move it aside. So when you purchase anything from Daily Charme, they always include this card in the box, and on this card it's just saying Daily Charme, and if you turn it around it says thank you. So they're thanking you for purchasing from them. It's also letting you know if you tag them on Instagram, Daily Charme, they most likely will share your posts. And it's also showing their Facebook account, their Instagram, and their YouTube account. So the first thing I'm sharing with you out of the package is some charms. There's 4 charms in this package, and I'm going to open it up and bring them right out to show you the charms up close. They're so adorable. And the nice thing about these charms, they have the curve for the nail, so you're not going to struggle to place them on. So here's the Cupid Bows. How pretty are those with the little crystals on them and the little hearts with wings. And there's 2 of each in this package, so that makes 4. So cute. So the next thing I'm sharing are these little gold heart charms. They are so cute as well, just perfect for Valentine's Day. So these are called Lovely Hearts, and they're a polymer clay decor. How cute are those? There's so many different colors, and some of them even have sayings on them like love, etc. Just adorable for Valentine's Day. So they also have a package of Swarovski Valentine's Day value mix, and oh my gosh, these are so beautiful. Look at the colors for Valentine's. They even have little stars in there. So the next package is some more of the hearts, and these ones are silver. Again, so cute. So the next item I'm sharing with you, I think is absolutely adorable. It's a nail art mold, Lovely Hearts it's called, and it's a silicone mold. So you place your product in there and then you cure it, and you have this cute little heart. There's of course different sizes. So this is called Lovely Heart Glitter Mix and Love Bubbles. And I'm just going to open it up here and share that with you and bring them up closer. It does have a tab on it, of course. They always do it from Daily Charme, which is really nice, so they're not going to open up in the mail and spill. So I'm just getting that off, and then we'll take a look at it. Oh, it's gorgeous. They're iridescent hearts, and I'm just going to grab my tweezer and bring it up closer to show you guys. And there's so much in this jar. So there they are closer. Look at how pretty those are. The next glitter mix I'm sharing with you is also a Lovely Heart glitter mix, and this one is called Kiss Me Tonight. And I'm just going to open it up here and share it with you guys. Oh, you can just tell it's so beautiful. It's got red and pink and silver in it. It's so shiny. I'm just going to grab my tweezer and bring it up closer, some of the pieces, so that you can see it. So you can see there's silver hearts, and it looks like pink lips, and it looks like there's some red high heels in there. Such a cute mix. So there's the red high heels. How cute are those, and the pink lips as well. Just love it. So the next glitter mix I'm sharing with you is an iridescent AB butterfly mix called Spring Flings. Oh, it's so nice. So there's a bunch of different color of butterflies in there. I'm just going to grab my tweezer again, and we'll try and bring some of them up a little bit closer so we can look at them. So the next one is Cherry Blossom 5 millimeter glitter and Aurora pink. Cherry blossoms are my favorite. I know I'm gonna love this one, so I'm gonna open it up and we'll take a look. And again, I'll grab my tweezer to bring it up a little closer. How pretty are those? Just love them. So I absolutely love foils, and they have a Valentine's foil, and this one is called Nail Art Foil Paper in Love Vibes. So I'm going to open it up and we'll see how much paper comes in each package. So as you can see, it's definitely a big roll of foil. Oh, I'm going to use these lots. I just love them. And people seem to really like the lettering and whatnot for Valentine's Day as a feature nail. So definitely think I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. It's so nice. So they did send me another foil for Valentine's Day, and this one is called Love Letters. It's just a really soft, beautiful foil. Again, another one that I'll get lots of use out of. It's just really gorgeous. So they sent me 4 packages of vinyl stickers. I love these stickers, and there's quite a few in each package. So I'm just going to share each one with you. The first one is called Chameleon Lime, and it's called Dripping Flames. And it is exactly that. There's dripping flames on here. And when I go to the top, I just love the fact that they have lips that are dripping. Those are so cute as well. So you kind of get a mixture of stickers in this one. So the next one I'm sharing with you is called Designer Luxury, and it's a chameleon purple. It's so pretty. So of course you get all of the like Louis Vuitton stickers, etc. Just a really cute idea. So the next one is called Botanical Garden in Aurora Pink. I'm just going to turn it around here so we can take a look at it. Oh, look at how cute those are. It has leaves and it has roses, and it looks like it even has some flies, some maybe kind of bumblebees, and some more leaves. Oh, it's so nice. So the last one is called Blackletter Alphabet in Chameleon Purple, and really nice letter designs. And it also has like question marks and exclamation marks, it looks like, and dollar signs. Just a really cute idea if you want to have letters on your nails. The last thing out of the package is called Anastasia Metallic Glitter Mix Set. And who doesn't love loose glitter? It looks so pretty. So I'm going to open up the package and share each one with you. And this is the first one. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. It's like a really deep pink, just stunning. And the second one looks like it's more of an orangey red. I'm going to bring the first one up just to show you the difference between the two of them, but they're both beautiful. The next one is definitely more of a deeper red. And I'll bring the last one, which was the more orangey one, and you can see the difference. Both of them are stunning. And I like the last one because they kind of did a mix of all of them. And this one is gorgeous as well. Look at that. It's so pretty. And there's all 4 of them. And again, you guys, I have that coupon code at 10% off for all of these items down in the description, as well as the links for all of these items that I showed you. So now I'm going to get started with the nail design, and it will be a Valentine's design. So the first product I'm using for the design is the 5-in-1 strengthening gel, and the reason I am going to be applying this and not curing it is because I'm going to be taking the loose glitter, and the loose glitter I'll be using is the last one I showed you, the mix of all the colors. It's so gorgeous. And I'm going to sprinkle it on that nail while it's not cured, and once I get it to where I'm happy, and pat it down so it's not sticking up, because you do want to pat it down when you're applying loose glitter if it's not going to be a raw glitter nail, because you're going to be encapsulating it in the gel polishes or hard gels or acrylics, so you want to pat it down so it's easier to cover up, and it'll cure for 60 seconds once I get that done. After it's cured, I always take a brush and remove any extra glitter that might be on the nail or the other nails. And then once I'm done that, I'm going to take a gel polish, and this is a gel polish that I use for all loose glitters so I don't contaminate my 5-in-1 gel or any of my gel polishes. And I cure that, and now I'm taking Perfect White Charm Gel from Daily Charm and applying 2 coats to this nail, and each coat cures for 30 seconds. This white is amazing opaque coverage. Almost could get away with 1 coat. I love this white, and like I said, I'll do 2 coats and cure those. And so now I'm going to be applying a foil gel, and Daily Charm does have a transfer foil gel as well. And I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to be taking the first foil I showed you called Love Vibes, and I'm going to be applying it to the nail and using the silicone tool from Daily Charm to apply it and rub it down. Look at how great that transferred. It's so cute. So I'm using my 5-in-1 gel because it's great for embedding glitter mixes, and I'm going to be using the Kiss Me Tonight glitter mix. I'll show you it here before I apply it. The one I showed you that has the hearts and has the lips and the shoes in it. There it is, so pretty. So I'm just going to put it on a palette, the glitter mix, and just apply them randomly, kind of to do a cute design from the tip down. And once I get them on and I'm happy with where they're positioned, I will cure it for 60 seconds. So again, I'll be using the 5-in-1 gel because it is great for encapsulating glitter mixes so that you don't feel them once they're covered up. So I'm going to use that and cure it again for 60 seconds. So the next product I'm using is Madame Glams Builder Light Pink. Now I should have applied this before I did the loose glitter to cover the nail bed, because that's my whole point of using it, is I want a more pink nail bed, but it still worked okay. So I'm applying it. Of course, I'm going to have it a little thicker on the nail bed and then just fade it over the glitter, because I don't want to cover up that glitter. So I'll just kind of remove as I apply, and then I'll cure that for 60 seconds once it's done. So on the next nail, I wanted a color that complemented everything, and It Girl from Madame Glam is going to be perfect for that. And I'll apply 2 coats of this on this index finger. So if you guys think I'm doing a client, it's not a client's hand, it's my Red Iguana practice hand, and this hand is my favorite practice hand. You cannot even tell it's not a real hand. I highly recommend getting one of these practice hands if you want to do a lot of practice with designs, and I will put that link down in the description for this hand. And you can see on the screen I have a 10% off code for the Red Iguana practice hand, but make sure you use it so you can get that 10% off. So now I'm applying Daily Charms Diamond Shine Top Coat to the glitter nail, and I'm not going to do it on the transfer foil, but I'm also going to be applying it to the nail that has the loose glitter, and also I'm going to be applying it to the index finger, because I'm going to be adding something to the index finger after it's cured. So now I'm going to use that Madame Glam Builder Gel again in the pink, and I'm using the silicone mold called Lovely Hearts and the little heart. And what I did is I took that Madame Glam Builder, filled it in, and cure it for 60 seconds. While I'm waiting for it to cure, I'm taking the Stay Put Jelly from Daily Charm. Now I'm just going to remove that cured little heart. Look at how cute that is. I love this mold. So easy to use. Once I have that heart position where I want it, I'll cure it for 60 seconds. Now I'm taking the Diamond Shine Top Coat from Daily Charm again, and I'm going to go around the heart, and I'm going to cover up the heart so it is sealed, because it is polish that I use. So I definitely want to top coat it, and then it will be shiny once it's cured as well. And you just want to make sure and go around it and give it that extra support. But the Stay Put Jelly I'm finding is working really well for people's crystals for staying really good. And I'm taking that It Girl now on the thumb, and I'll do 2 coats of that, and I'll cure each one again for 30 seconds. And then I'll be top coating this one again as well. The last product I'm using from Daily Charm is their Velvet Matte Top Coat over that foil nail, and it'll cure for 60 seconds. This top coat is amazing. If you guys are looking for a really good matte top coat, it is so velvety, soft feeling once it's cured, and it does not streak. And now I'm just taking the Diamond Shine under the nail so it's shiny. I want to thank Daily Charm for sending me all these beautiful Valentine's products and spring glitters to share with you, and the vinyl stickers, they're just gorgeous. So I will have those links down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.